So it's almost 4:30. Al Michelle and I are gonna head out a little bit early. It's raining, it's wet, and pretty much until the park closes at 7:30 for grad night, it's gonna be like this, huh? Sometimes it be like that. We had 12 great rides today. No marathons, but we did get a re-ride on Raging Bull in the back row, so I can't complain about that. We had the Macho Nacho for lunch. Yeah, those tacos were pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that definitely was good. Yeah. Gonna get out of here. Who knows what else we're gonna do, but maybe something indoors. Again, if we knew it was gonna be this cold, we could have dressed in our winter gear. But who knew? And I've had a blast. Anything I do with Al Michelle is a blast. Isn't that right, babe?
Yes.
It's great. So we're off for more adventures, and yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a fun trip.
Someone lost some.
Yeah. You wanna?
Or Starbucks.
A coffee? Iced something? All right, let's go this way.
Wow.
So yeah, we're gonna get taken off, and yeah, it was really cool watching Maxx Force being put together. My goodness. That's just great. What a fun time. See you again soon. Jiggity out.